Hey, what's up my good people? This is Jeff Cowboy again. Today I'm bringing you the Ram TRX, the 2021. Let's go. And on this machine here, I'm gonna feature to you all the fuse box location. It's a nice heavy machine. For those who knows the TRX, it comes with the 2 fuse box location. So let's dive into it. Before I show you the 2 fuse box location, make sure you hit that subscribe button on Jeff Cowboy YouTube channel. So let's dive in. Now the first one will be inside the cab. So we're gonna pop open right here on the driver side. Man, look at that heavy, good, nice machine right there. Well, another video to show you a review on this vehicle will be coming up soon, but for now the first fuse box location is going to be behind this panel, right behind here. Now to access that fuse box location, you need to open this bolt right here and this one, another one right here, 2 bolts, and you're gonna access that fuse box location. And behind this cover there is a diagram. It can show you exactly all the fuse box information, just like the same I'm gonna show you on the next fuse box location, which is going to be under the hood. So let's pop the hood right there. And right here next on driver side, next to the battery right here, you find this cover right here. And for this one I'm gonna pop it up for you. And here we go, all the fuses and the relays. And on the back of the cover you find the fuse diagram. And then another important thing is yellow is the fuse remover tool right there, and how to use it. You clamp the fuse with it like that, and then you pull it out, you inspect it, and then you can use it to put it back. And to put the cover back together is just line up the tabs. Once you line up the tabs, you just push it and it's going to click to lock in place, just like that. And those are the 2 fuse box location on the Ram TRX. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Subscribe, stay tuned. Again, this is your man Jeff Cowboy.